Don't let routine dim your light. The first normal week of 2026 is here. It's easy to feel the love when the world is quiet. But the real work is when the world gets loud again. This week, I'm going to help you focus and plug in. So before you start your day, before you check your phone, and before you take your breaths, breathe deeply. 1, ground yourself. Breathe. 2, in deep. Call in that pure love. Breathe. 3rd time. Send it out to everyone you encounter today. You don't need hours of meditation to stay connected to the grid. You just need a few seconds of intentional plugging in. Much love, many blessings.